Hello guys, this is Life in North Carolina. This is my first time to this Autobell car shop and not car shop, but car wash in High Point, North Carolina. And I'm just gonna do a short video of this place. It's different than the other Autobells, of course. Just wanna let you know that. It's a different setup too. When you come out of the wash, you come over here to the vacuum area. Yeah. Do a short video of what's inside, guys. This is what's inside, guys. Different setup. Got soda machines here, or vending machines, you could say. But anyway. Different setup. This is just a short video, guys. This is not something long and drawn out. Here's a video of what's inside here. I mean, you know, the car wash itself. Looks pretty clean and everything. Okay, this is Life in North Carolina. Like, subscribe, and share. Of course, look at this pretty lady right here. Look at her, guys.
Hello guys.
This is also the waiting area right here. Sorry for not, I guess, mentioning that when I came in to the lobby area. But they are, you know, that's what they do. They wash the car. Well, you wash it, go through the car wash, and then they wipe it down for you and everything. Detail it. All right, like, subscribe, and share. Peace. Love y'all. Don't take a look at me. All right. Peace. Love.